Tobeter is a specialized manufacturer of compact construction and agricultural machinery, delivering reliable, high-performance solutions tailored for modern job site demands. With over a decade of experience, we help businesses around the world streamline operations through efficiency-focused equipment and customized service. Our 15,000 square meter production facility is designed for full-scale manufacturing. Supported by a skilled team of more than 80 professionals, we manage every step in-house, from concept to completion, to ensure consistent quality and on-time delivery. We operate cutting-edge production lines for cutting, machining, welding, surface treatment, painting, and assembly. Precision is our priority, enabled by advanced CNC laser cutters, flame cutters, bending systems, and integrated dust removal technology. We are officially certified as a national high-tech enterprise and have built long-term partnerships with globally recognized component manufacturers to ensure performance, reliability, and lasting value. Innovation drives us forward, backed by more than 100 utility and invention patents. Our products are certified to meet global standards, including ISO 9001, CE, Euro 5, EPA Tier 4, and ROPS and FOPS safety certifications. We offer flexible customization options, branded collaboration services, and a full suite of after-sales support, from remote technical guidance to on-site service. Our one-year warranty includes free spare parts and fast, dependable service at every step. Tobeter. Excellence in detail, commitment in every product.